Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily fix slow performing Google Chrome. So let's get started. First is you need to open your Google Chrome. The moment you open it, as you can see here at the upper right side of my screen, it has this three dots. Just simply click that and go for extensions. And then here, just have to go at the left side and it has these two options. Go for manage extensions. Once you are being redirected to the extensions, here you need to identify those unwanted sources or extensions that is present in your Google Chrome. In my case, I have the only one Google extensions. So in your case, if you have a lot, just identify those sources, those applications that is here that you no longer needed because that will completely make your Google Chrome slower. Okay? So after that, just simply close this and go for command prompt. Here, you need to type cmd and the best match will open. Here, you need to go for run as administrator. The moment you click that, your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just simply press yes. Okay? Here, we need to flush the DNS because when we remove that, that will completely make our Google Chrome faster or perform better. Okay? Here, we need to type IP config space forward slash flush DNS. Then hit enter to proceed. Okay, so once it is done flushing the DNS, just simply close this and go for Google Chrome again. Okay, once you are being redirected to the Google Chrome, just locate the three dots here and scroll down to locate settings. Okay, click that to open settings. Okay, here at the left side, you can see here next to System, Reset Settings. Just simply click Reset Settings and under this, just have to go for Restore Settings to their original defaults. Okay? Before resetting the settings, please be assured that the bookmarks, history, and saved passwords won't be affected. So it will only reset some Chrome settings, disable extensions, and delete cookies. Just go with the reset and your Google Chrome will be resetted. Okay? So those are the steps on how to make your Google Chrome perform faster. Hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.